What if I told you that I found one of the fresh and newest niches for YouTube and TikTok? Yeah, you heard it right. This niche is untouched. I only found just one TikTok channel for this specific niche, and it's going viral like a Kim Kardashian's video. The best thing with this niche is that you can apply the same method for both YouTube and TikTok and earn from both. You can consider this video as a full course about this new niche. So, if you are watching this video from somewhere else other than near your computer or laptop, if you want to succeed as a new creator, just start this process with me right now. But there is one problem. Not every country is allowed to join TikTok creativity program. If you are not from the following countries, US, UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, and Korea, you are not allowed to join this. I know that a lot of you guys are from a country where the TikTok creativity program or affiliate program is not available. But I recently found this company. They create TikTok accounts from any country where the TikTok creativity program and affiliate program are available. So first I wanted to check whether it's a scam or not. So I decided to buy an account from it. I don't have a US tax identification document, so they told me that I couldn't open a USA TikTok account, but I can open an account from the UK or France. So I requested a UK account from them. Within a few hours, I got my account. So if you want to buy a TikTok account, you can use the link in the description and you will get a 10% discount. So let's go back to our niche. The niche I'm about to reveal today is called Movie Quiz Niche. Check out this TikTok page. This channel has only 29 videos. They have gained 28,000 followers with this niche. So if you start this niche today, you will be able to go viral on TikTok and YouTube within a few weeks. So, in the next few minutes, I will show you how to create videos for this specific niche. Let me show you an example video first.
Can you guess the movie by the scene in 4 frames or less? First frame is extremely difficult, second frame is difficult, and so on. You will have 5 seconds to guess. Let's start. Difficult level, extreme. Difficult level, hard. Difficult level, medium. Difficult level, easy. The movie is The Dark Knight. Comment on how many points you got.
As you saw in that example, this quiz is about identifying a movie using movie frames. In order to create a video like this, you need to select a movie. So for this example, I'm going to select The Dark Knight movie. We need to find several movie frames for this movie. Don't worry, you don't need to download the movie. Let me show you how to do that. First, go to Google and search for movie frames. Then, check and download suitable frames. Remember, you need to make sure that identifying the movie using these frames is not that simple. Therefore, you need to use rare movie frames. So, we need 4 movie frames. After that, put them all in a one folder. Now, we need to make some voiceovers. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
I think we need a more deep and energetic voice. Let's try another one.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
This one is really good for this project. So, let's add it to the voice library. And now, we can use this AI voice. Go to Settings and select that voice. So, this video should start like this. Can you guess the movie by the scene in 4 frames or less? First frame is extremely difficult. Second frame is difficult, and so on. You will have 5 seconds to guess. Let's start. We need to add voiceovers for difficulty level, like difficulty level extreme, difficulty level hard, and so on. At the end of the video, I will add, "The movie is The Dark Knight," and comment on how many points you got. So create all the voiceovers like this. After that, we need to download some overlays for the background. We can use Pexels for that. Go to Pexels and search for overlays. From these videos, you can download any suitable overlay video. Now we need to download 2 sound effects, which are whoosh and clock ticking sounds, and some background music. We can use pixabay.com for that. From this website, you can download any sound effects without any copyright issues. So, download these 2 sound effects from this website. With that, we have all the material to edit the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then import all the clips we created and sound effects to this. First, drag the overlay video to the surface and edit its size to match the surface area. Now, you have to duplicate this layer several times to increase its duration. Then drag the first voiceover to the timeline like this. Now we need to add a text layer. Go to the text and select Text Templates from the side menu. There are a lot of templates. You can select a suitable template from these and customize it according to your requirements. So I think this specific template is suitable for this video, so let's select it. I will rename this text layer to Guess the Movie by the Scene. Make sure to match its duration with the voiceovers. Now I will add some more text layers about the rules and points. For that, we need to add a default TET layer like this. I will rename it to the rules. I will also add some cool fonts and effects. You can edit all of those using this side menu. And I will add some paragraphs about how this quiz is going to work. Then I will duplicate these layers by holding the Alt key and rename it to points. So I will add points like this to each level. Now we need to add some sliding animations to this. Go to Animations and add some suitable animations for these layers. Before going into the next step, I forgot to mention that we need to find a timer animation, so let me show you how to do that. Go to YouTube and search for the copyright-free stopwatch green screen. You can use these animations for your video. Let's use this one. Copy the link of this video, and you can download it using this website. Just paste the link here and download the video. Then, we need to the next voiceover to the timeline, which is the difficult level extreme. Then add 2 text layers to the timeline, just like we did before. One is for frame 1, and the other one is to show the difficulty level. This is not as a complicated process as it may seem. You just need to follow these exact steps with me. Then, let's add the first frame images to the timeline like this and adjust its size to fit the middle part. Then, drag the green screen animation of the stopwatch to the timeline. Now, let me show you how to remove this green screen. Select the green screen video and select the video from the side menu, then select Cutout. Now, you will see this tick box called Chroma Key. You need to tick that box, then select this small eyedropper tool. After selecting the eyedropper tool, click this green area to choose the green color. Then, all you need to do is increase this strength and shadow values to 100. It will remove the green color from this video. That's all. Then you can resize the stopwatch and place it under the image. Make sure to edit its duration only for 5 seconds. Then, we need to add some sliding animation to these 2 text layers and images. Go to Animations and add suitable sliding animations just like we did before. After adding the animations, we need to add sound effects. So, let's add a whoosh sound effect when the image appears on the screen. Let's drag and drop that sound effect to here like this. Then, we need to add a clock ticking sound effect to the stopwatch, so add that sound effect to the timeline as well. Then all you need to do is repeat this same process for all other 3 levels and complete all 4 levels. Finally, you can reveal the movie's name. That's all. Then you can export the final output and upload it. So, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I recently made a YouTube course about a 30-day challenge. If you guys like more content like that, drop a comment saying, yes, we want. I will make more challenges.